Hi, this is Esther Young, and last time I have illustrated how to create the base of the column, and today I'm gonna finish it up with the top of the column in a Craftsman style. So if you go back to the lower reference level, this is where we're at so far, and first of all we'll need to add more reference plane. By clicking create and then reference plane. Do pick line, make sure it's locked. Actually, you don't need to have it locked. And right now we're going to offset 2 inches in. Awesome. And with that, we'll rename them or name them top right, top left, top front, and top back. Perfect. Now they're all named, then we can go into the creating form procedure, or step. There are different ones, and I want to create a shape, something like this. So blend is the best way to go about, because you can adjust the shape and the thickness from the base to the top. So after I click on that, right now I will be creating the base. So if you do pick line, make sure it's locked. You can just pick the inner lines and then edit top. Do pick line again and pick the inner lines. Now make sure it's locked and trim it good. Okay. Now I want my second end, which is the top, to be, let's say, 6 feet tall. And hit apply. And you can say OK. And let's see. Awesome. It's coming together. There are a few more things that we need to do, because like we did before, we need to dimension it to make sure that it can flex. So from here to here, we have not dimensioned yet. Okay. And then also make sure that it will always be centered, and hit equal. Hit equal. Okay. Now we'll rename these, or create a parameter called top width. And then this one would be top depth. Right. So after that, we will want to go to the family types and put in a formula so that you don't have to put in the info all the time. The width and the depth will control everything. So for the depth, I would say depth minus 2 inches. And the top width, I would do width minus 2 inches. Apply. And let's give it a try now. So right now it's 1 feet by 1 feet. I want it to be 1/6 and 1/6. And let's apply it to see if it flex. There you go. Let's see. Perfect. And of course you can also put in a few more parameters. Let's say you want to change the depth of that, or make it more complex by creating more excrusions and so forth. Here it is.